Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we're doing the giveaway drawing for the mini album mashup background design release, and how to enter to win was, I'll link that video up here. You had to leave a comment below that video for your vote for the next 3 background designs to be released, and you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And there'll be 3 winners, and all 3 winners will get all 3 of these sets of templates with the new background designs on them. And then there'll be another giveaway drawing in about a month, and there's also a coupon code, so stay tuned. So this mini album mashup, this is what we're currently working on. This is the album that we're currently working on, and a few videos have been filmed that have not been shown yet, so I'm not going to open it. But if you want to check out the playlist, I have it linked up here. But this is the first of at least 3 mashups that I want to create some for you guys. So it's like a simplified version of some of my larger templates, so it's quicker and easier, and not as many choices. Sometimes too many choices can be overwhelming, and I understand that. So anyways, okay, so I've already pulled in the URL to that video, and I have pulled in the comments, and I have pulled in the comments, haven't I? Yes. Okay, so all I should have to do is hit start. So what'll happen is I will pick a winner, then I will go check to see if you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And if you are, then I will show you your name, if that makes any sense. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. Let's let my phone focus. I need a new phone so bad, you guys. It is cracked and broken all over the place. Don't pay attention to that. Start. Why isn't it starting? Well, that was weird. The random YouTube comment picker that I usually use is now wanting to charge me a monthly fee of $10 a month. Saying I've got too many comments, I've gone over the limit. Come on, that is just ridiculous. Can I just say that? That is just ridiculous. That random YouTube comment picker has so many ads on it. There is no way they need to charge people $10 a month to use it. I'm a little frustrated. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to find another one, so we're going to try this one. I pulled in the URL. I have loaded the comments, but I'm just going to tell you, it's not as fun because it doesn't go through like a wheel, not like a wheel. It doesn't flash your name up or anything. I'm sorry. I don't know what this means. I don't know. This is extremely bothersome. So I apologize. So I've done all that. I'm just going to pick a winner, and you'll either see a name or you won't. I don't know. Okay, I do not know what that little red heart means. I'm gonna go see if that person is a subscriber. Okay, congratulations to @DianaDillon4365. You are a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Down below in the description box and in the first pinned comment, there is a special email just for giveaway winners. I need you to contact me through that email by March 12th, 2025 in order to claim your winnings. So contact me through that email, and then we will go from there. Okay, so congratulations to you, Diana Dillon, I'm not guessing. Okay, so now let's pick another one. Those 3 winners all together. I hope this works. Okay. Look how terrible. My phone is broken to bits. Picking another winner. Okay. Congratulations to Valerie Cardwell 9816. You are the second winner in this giveaway drawing. And you know what I just realized? Congratulations, Valerie. I just realized that I haven't shown you which background designs were chosen. Well, well, I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, I'll show you in just a minute. So congratulations to you, Valerie. You just need to contact me via that email down below. And we will go from there. Okay, now one more winner. One more. Let my phone, there we go. Boop. Oh. It picked me, you guys. It picked me. Why? I guess I'm just the coolest. Well, congratulations to @PattyRoberts-WU9ZG. I think that's what it says. Congratulations to you. You are our third winner for this go round. Thank goodness. You need to contact me via that email down below in the description box and in the first pinned comment. And we will, excuse me, excuse my arm there. And then we will go from there. So congratulations to the 3 winners. You have until March 12th to contact me to claim your winnings. And now let me show you what you won. Okay, so out of all of the votes, the butterfly won, and the vintage script, and the floral. So these 3 backgrounds will be released in a month. So the next background design drawing will be April 2nd. And these 3 will be released. But in order to win, or in order to enter the giveaway, A, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And B, leave me a vote for what 3 you want to see after that, because I left them blank. So these are all the additional votes down here for different things. And so far, the front runners are Grungy Wood, Coffee, Music Notes, Doily, Roses. Yeah, those are the front runners so far. So leave me your choices down below. You can leave 3 choices of what you'd like to see out of my background designs that are available, you know, that I have. Let me know your thoughts. So we've got the vintage script that won this time. That'll be released. It's up in my shop. I have the section linked below. There's the floral. Looks like that. And then there is the butterfly. So those 3 are now available, along with the faded floral, the hearts, and the diamond check. Some of you voted for those, but those had already been released. So, all right. So I also have a coupon code for you guys. It's good for 20% off almost everything in my Etsy shop. And it's Mashup. It's valid from today, the day this video goes public, at the time, and it's good until March 15th, 2025. 20%, you can use as many times as you want. 20% off, and there are some exclusions, and that's just because some things are priced so low that it would end up, I would have to pay for you to buy it, if that makes sense. But anywho's, so yeah, so be sure to use the coupon code. There's a link in the description box. Make sure that you leave me a vote for the next giveaway drawings, and congratulations to the winner. All right, you guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.